Okay, before I start doing this one, I want y'all to see the difference between this, how it looks, and this. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel, welcome to the vlog, and welcome to Arturo Supercar. My name is Arturo Joseph, and this is my CA Corvette. Yes, I know I owed you guys a video on the MR2 and on the truck. That's coming though, but today we're gonna work on something really important for my C8 Corvette that I should have done a long time ago. So I want to do the grill protection, or a grill protection right behind this, so we can protect the radiator that is right here in the front of the car. Y'all can see right now it's yeah, it's pretty dent already with rocks and stuff like that, small things coming into it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna build it. I have a couple of tools here. You need a T15 screwdriver to take the screws that out. I have some pliers to cut it, zip ties, and I bought this online for $26. $26 the whole thing. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut pieces to fill this and this. I put the car on jacks already so we can work underneath it. So let's just, yeah, this is my son. And yeah, so let's just start working on this, start cutting this and on the right pieces. I'm gonna take the front lip down, a lot of plastic that is down there, so we can have access to the back of the bumper right here, so we can measure the space, cut the grill, put it in place, zip tie it, and have it done. Of course, you can buy online a lot of kits. You have to do the same process though. You have to take the lip out and all that to be able to put it in the back, but those are super expensive. I spent $26 on this grill. I like it because it's plastic, and it looks good. It looks super good. I like the pattern. I saw it from my friend Drew. He has an orange C8 and he bought the pieces online, but I just found this for $26, and I know how to do it, so let's just do it. Let's see how it looks. Let's make it happen. Okay, so let's just get underneath. I think I can get along with just having the side ones out. Let me just do that and come back. Okay, so I took this screws out, this one's right here, this one's right here, and you need to come back here and take this too, so you can take the whole piece out. Okay, once you take all the screws out, all you have to do is just get this piece off. It's a can. This was inside this plastic, so it's kind of fun. It's not mine because it's not a Diet Coke, so I know for a fact that it's not mine. So this way you got access to the back where the radiator is, so we can measure it and make it to the right size. So let's just measure it in on the out. So it's about 16 inches. It's a little bit less, but I like it. I would like to do it a little bit bigger. If we need to cut it, we can. So right now I'm gonna do a 16 inch by 11. I did this table. Sorry, it's hard to record, and I don't know why, because I have a tripod. I don't know, but yeah, should get the tripod right. Yeah, you guys are right. Okay, let me get it. Okay, so I'm gonna measure 16, and this is plastic, so I can just cut it like this. 16, 11, and it is 11 inches high, about 11 inches. So I'm gonna cut right here. From here I'm gonna come 11 inches this way to about here, and I'm gonna make my way up from here to there so we can have it right. Now we have the part as we need it. See, I got the black zip ties and the grill inside. If you're gonna put it inside, try to put this in first, so you come in like this way, and that's the easiest way. I'm gonna just grab a couple of zip ties, I'm gonna have to put at least one here, and under here inside you have a couple of pieces. I don't know if y'all can see it there, but this where I have my finger, you have a couple of pieces there that you can zip tie it, and of course you don't see it in the other side. So let's just do this and let's see how it looks. And here it is. This is how it looks. I don't know if you guys can see it. This is how it looks, and I think it's gonna protect a lot better. We need to try it on Summer and see how it behaves with that. This is the only one that you can see. Of course you have to really look to be able to see it, but it's there though. It's the only one that is here. All the others are inside. So it looks better. I feel I need to do this before the radiator gets worse than what it is right now, and this is a great solution. Like I said, it's a lot of kits out there y'all can go and buy, but this is an easy, cost-effective solution to do it, and it looks good though. I love the look because it's kind of the same shape of this, kinda. It's not exactly the same, but it's kinda the same look. So to me it looks like it comes like that, so I like it. Let's just go jump to the other side, but I won't record because it'll be basically the same to take it down, to take the plastic. If I see any difference between one on the other side, I will record that part, but let's just do it and come back to see how it looks. Okay, so this one didn't work because it has like, it's a different finish from this side to this side. I don't know if y'all can see it, and of course it has these little things in the back, so it didn't work the way I was planning to do it. So I cut another one on the right side and leaving this to the back. Okay, before I start doing this one, I want y'all to see the difference between this, how it looks, and this. So even from here you can still see the radiator, and here, yeah, it's a lot better. So I'm gonna keep taking this out and come back. Okay, so yeah, I know here's where you see the difference between other brands or exotic brands and Chevrolet. So yeah, it has two different kind of screws underneath the same part. I understand if it's a different part, of course, You can have different type of screws and whatever, but it's the same plastic part that on the other side it has all like star screws, and yeah, that kind of sucks. And I got the car with 300 miles, so hopefully nobody worked on the car before me, right? Hopefully nothing is wrong, or nothing was wrong with the car. But yeah, after you remove all the screws, this is pretty simple to take out. A lot of dirt coming out, but it's good. We're good. Remove that part. Now we have the access here in the back. Okay, so this is a non-Z51 Corvette C8, so it doesn't have the extra radiators here. On the Z51 package, you get better brakes or bigger brakes, and you get a extra radiator right here, and then the same in the other side. So this one doesn't have it, so that's why I'm not gonna put anything here. But of course, if you can, make sure you protect here, because of course that will protect the second or the third, I don't know, this is 1, 2, and the third radiator that goes here in front of the car. With the same plastic I took off, you still get access to this part, so it'll be pretty simple to do that too. Let me just put this plastic up and drop down the car and see how it looks. And it's done. The grills are there and they look awesome. Like I said, it's not a big change, but it will protect your radiator to get all those chips and rocks in there. As y'all saw, we even found this. So these spaces are that big, so something like this can get inside of that. So this will protect radiator from anything, not just like this, but small rocks and chips to come and damage. I'm gonna leave the link down below for this specific grill. It's different designs, you can see online and look for other designs. And like I said, you can, if not, you can go for other kits out there, more expensive. Of course, like I said, I'd spend $26 on this. I know for a fact that you can buy this for like $76 already pre-cut, but it's like no sense to do it if you can do it yourself. And it's a lot of other kits out there for $300, $400, even $500. So this is a cool way to do it if you want to do it yourself, if you want to save a couple of bucks, and it still looks good. Like I said, all the others you can find out there are even with zip ties or with 3M double-side tape. I don't see much difference between this and that. And just like that, that has been all for the video of today. I hope you guys liked it. I will see you guys next time. Remember to subscribe, like the video if you like it. Please share with your friends. I will see you guys next time. This has been all, Arturo Supercar. Follow me on Instagram for more updates. Bye.